Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. And controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here we have these two controls. So let me play some song and let's get started by single press. If you press one time at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. I just press one time, I pause the song, I press again and I will play a song. If you press two times at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, here we go. If you press two times at your left earbud, you will play previous track. Here we go. Also we have a hold, and if you hold at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. So I hold on it and look at this widget. As you can see, I increase the volume. To lower it, hold at your left earbud. And as you can see, I just lower it. Also, when you do not listen to music or watching a movie, you can press two times at your left or right earbud. In manual it said that you need to press two times at your main earbud, but I will prove you that it works another way. So my main earbud is a left one right now, and if I press two times at the left earbud, I will call voice assistant. If I press two times at my right earbud, I will also call voice assistant. Now I have iOS, so I called Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant or Gemini. It depends what you set up. The last one, if you press one time when someone called to you, you press one time at your right or left earbud, you will answer the call. And then you can press again to finish the call. Or you can also reject a call by pressing hold at your left or right earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.